Morning everyone. Today I got a new part I recently just picked up. It's in my trunk right now. Yes, as you can see here, it is a Catless front pipe. This is the Invidia Catless front pipe, and yeah, we're gonna be installing that today. The car will probably be a lot louder, so yeah, not really sure what to expect. Before I go ahead and install this new front pipe, I want to show you guys some sound clips of the current setup. Current setup is a Group S unequal length header with stock front pipe and the Greddy RS Race. And I think there's a difference between RS Race and the regular RS. I'm pretty sure, I could be wrong, but the RS Race has an extra resonator in it. But yeah, I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Show you guys some sound clips, some flybys, and pretty much how it sounds, and then compare it after I install the front pipe. So rating the drone on this current setup is definitely there, but it's not that bad. Like cruising, maybe 3K RPMs, you can control it. It's not really droney, but maybe on the freeway, decelling from like 4.5 to like 3.5, that's when the drone hits you. It's not that bad. I'm pretty used to it by now. I'll probably rate it maybe like a 5 to a 6 out of 10 based on just drone itself. So maybe installing the Catless front pipe will make it more droney or less droney. I've heard mixed reviews because the Catless front pipe deletes the cat and also the resonator on the stock front pipe. So by doing so, it will free up the airflow, which basically won't trap the air into the front pipe as much. So some people have said that it's actually less drone with the Catless front pipe. Some people said it's more drone because it's louder, but I guess we'll just have to see for ourselves. Whenever laying down or working on the car, I always like to lay down some cardboard just so I don't get my clothes and my bag all dirty from the dirt on the floor. Under the car now, guys, and after inspection, I believe that there are about 5 bolts
that hold on the front pipe. So one is the hanger bolt right there. So we got two connecting the front pipe to the cat back. And then finally we got two connecting the front pipe to the over pipe. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, there's gonna be one right there and another one on the other side. So let's go ahead and pull this thing out. Alright guys, just got out the stock front pipe right here. Here's a little side-by-side comparison. As you can see, the stock one has a cat right there, which will be deleted, and then a resonator, which will also be deleted, so it'll just be a straight pipe all the way through. Taking it off was pretty easy, went pretty smooth. It's just that the bolt from the front pipe to the over pipe, a ratchet couldn't fit, so I had to run to the store real quick, pick up some wrenches, but other than that, everything's pretty smooth. Now we can just go ahead and slap on the Catless front pipe and we should be good to go. Just finished with everything, tighten everything down, button everything up. Now let's give you guys some sound clips, start it up for the first. Alright guys, let me know what you guys think. Just from those freaking pools alone, dude, it's already hella louder. Low-key a little bit raspier, but I kind of like it. It's pretty loud. Definitely gonna attract a lot more cops, but yeah, I don't know if the camera really picked it up that well, but let me know what you guys think about the Catless front pipe. Drone, maybe a little bit more drone, but haven't really driven on the highway yet. So yeah, we'll see how that turns out. But anyways, my neighbors probably hate me by now. A little walk around. Got the custom Valencia Revo. I cleared them. And these are, I believe, to be the second set ever. So that's pretty cool. The new wheels as well. Some Mag Blue TEs. These are just temporary for now, but until my other set of wheels come in. I ordered another set of wheels from Japan. It's another set of TEs. It's a white TE 37 SLs, and they're getting discontinued, so you know I had to cop a set for myself. But yeah, just running these in the meantime. Let me know what you guys think. Mag Blue definitely hits a little different. And also in the front, got a new front end, Brz front end. Let me know what you guys think. Up close, it's not that perfect. There's some bumper gaps. I don't know if you guys could tell. Right there, on the other side as well. And just little fiberglass cracks here and there, but you can't really tell that much. I love the new front end. Definitely brings the aggressiveness to the front of the car, because I've always felt like the rear of my car was super aggressive with the bash bar and the spoiler and everything, but then the front was just the stock BRZ bumper. But now I got the Brz bumper to go along with the BRZ blacked out headlights. And also let me know what you guys think of the new front pipe. I'm actually probably gonna keep it. We'll see though.